In the Arctic, thousands of miles away from the carbon's home, the ice is already melting.
The losses of sea ice have really just astounded us. It's one of the most marked and pervasive changes we've seen in the Arctic system, and it has really opened our eyes. If we compare the amount of Arctic sea ice we had back in about 1979 compared to what we have today, we've lost an area roughly twice the size of the state of Texas in 20 short years. This is really a remarkable pace of change that we've seen.
Twice the size of Texas is over 5 times the size of the United Kingdom. And it's not just the Arctic. In 2002, at the other end of the world, Antarctica's entire Larsen B ice shelf disintegrated. When white ice is replaced by dark ocean, it's the beginning of a sudden major change, a tipping point where the warming accelerates dramatically.
This sea ice cover is so bright and white that it reflects so much of the sun's energy that falls on it right back up into space. But if we start to warm up the Arctic and we start to melt down that ice cover, what we do is we start to expose dark surfaces, dark ocean. And that dark ocean absorbs so much more of the sun's energy than the white ice did that the Arctic further heats up, which implies further melt of the snow and ice cover and even further warming.
Some predict that the summertime Arctic could be completely ice-free as soon as 2070, and all that dark ocean will warm the planet even more.
We are, in fact, conducting a grand global experiment, and we're going to have to live with the outcome of that experiment.